Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y70 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the photo size. When we pick this we can change the camera aspect ratio. For now we are in 4:3, let's pick the full one and let's go back to the camera to see it. As you can see, the background has changed to the full aspect ratio. Now let's go again to the settings in the right corner and to the photo size, and let's pick here 16:9, and in the camera preview it looks like that. The next one available here in the settings is 1:1, so in the camera we can see that this is the square one. And of course, by going again to the settings in the right corner and to the photo size, we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one, and this is how it looks like to remind you. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.